hearing, of course, from a lot of people on both sides of this issue. Ethan Stein joining me now. You talked with voters who you say some didn't even realize this could make it to the ballot.
Yes, not only did they not realize it could make it to the ballot, but also that extra trigger where it would then go back to 6 weeks, even further with removing these protections. Now, this ballot initiative would protect abortion rights after the state lawmakers try to remove those protections. It also gives voters another reason to vote in the presidential election. Making a splash is a new election issue for Floridians.
I had my abortion at 20.
That woman, like Chadasia, know well. She had her abortion at 7 weeks.
6-week ban would have really messed me up because I was 20, I was living my life, and I wouldn't want to have been stuck to him for my life. And I was so happy that I had that time frame that I did to figure things out and make the decision that was right for me.
A decision from Florida Supreme Court upheld a 15-week ban on Monday. It triggers a new 6-week ban starting in 30 days. But it also gave voters access to a ballot initiative to protect abortion rights.
6 weeks is not early enough for a woman to make her own decision about how she wants to live her life, especially at my age.
A number of political advocacy groups reacted to the decision to add abortion to the ballot. Those in favor of abortion rights argue access to emergency medical care is on the ballot.
Our government is consistently intervening in our personal private decisions and what's next, and interfering in birth control. It matters because people should have bodily autonomy.
While those against the amendment argue it's deceptively worded and would wipe out every law regarding abortion. Willie Guardola with Right to Life says he expects Democrats to use the issue to increase turnout.
The left is going to be pouring in a ton of money because they know how important Florida is and how many electoral votes, so it's going to be huge.
Chadasia says she doesn't affiliate with the party, but she says if the issue's on the ballot, she's more likely to vote.
Because I don't want young women in my position to ever have to do something they don't want to nor have to.
Voters like her will have their say at the ballot box. The magic number for the initiative to pass in Florida is 60%. Megan, if you compare that to Kansas and Ohio, those ballot initiatives, when they had an abortion rights issue go on the ballot, was hovering around that 60%. So certainly not automatic, but more than that 50% majority rules trigger.
Certainly needs a lot of support. So it'll be interesting to see how it all pans out come November. Ethan Stein reporting for us tonight. Thanks so much.